Hey everybody, welcome to Theme Park today. It's Kurt. I am here at the Nuo, I don't know how to say it, at Universal Studios Beijing. It is a Universal Beijing Hotel. So it is on property. It is about a 10-minute walk from the park. It is one of the most beautiful theme park hotels I have ever seen. Not even stayed in, also stayed in, but it's stunning. Let's get started. We Googled it. Nuo is the pronunciation. Okay, now let's get started. Like always, starting by the front door. Weird thing about this hotel is that the door opens inward toward us. I would show you, except all of our suitcases and everything that we have is shoved into the corner, so we can't open the door. But right here, when you first walk in, you're going to enter your room key. This is going to give you power to your room. I don't know what privacy means, or MUR, or corridors for the lights, I'm assuming. So, all the light, this light right here, turns on and off with a little buzz. It says your thermostat as well. Oh, that's the wall. It's your thermostat as well. It is in Celsius. I don't know if we can change it to Fahrenheit. We were able to change our other hotel to Fahrenheit. But I don't think we're able to change this one. So, it looks just like up, down, and power is all we get. Got it. All right, so this is for like housekeeping to make up the room. You press it and then it'll come. Got it. Okay. Privacy, I don't know what that does.
It means that you don't want them to disturb you.
I know, but how do they know?
They probably have a system.
Okay. So this isn't like, okay, hello, here's the main room. Look how actually beautiful it is. This is kind of an odd setup for a hotel room. I haven't seen one like this, but there's like this path and then there's this path. So we're going to go this way into the main part of the room. But here are the beds. We got the two queen size beds. We're going to go over here though to this little kitchenette-esque area and start at the top. We did have more water up here. There's water like kind of placed throughout the room, but they give us free bottled water, Universal Beijing Resort water, water bottles, which is nice. And then you can bring it into the park and refill it at the water refill stations. You have an Nespresso-esque machine. Oh no, it actually is an Nespresso machine. And then look at this electric tea kettle. How cute is that? It's like an actual tea kettle looking one, but it's electric. Very cute. And a lot of stuff is branded. This is the hotel design. But when you open it, you have your little coffee station, your Nespresso pods, your creamer. There's some sugar, white sugar, brown sugar. I'm assuming a sweetener, sugar-free sweetener, and a stirrer, as well as your cups. So that's all on top, as well as the Kleenex box. And then this like beautiful artwork. This hotel is, I can't get over it. It is Chinese themed in like every aspect. So I'm going to do a tour as well of the hotel. So check that out on our channel. But we were speaking with one of the team members here at the hotel, and they were saying that the architecture and the style of the design of the rooms in the hotel is inspired after the Summer Palace, which we actually went to here in Beijing yesterday. So that was a really cool little tidbit. It was created in the Qing Dynasty. So like that architecture, that time period architecture is what this hotel is designed after. So that's a cool little bit of information. Opening this door and it's just some storage. And this is the mini bar. And he said everything in here is free. There's like an ice chest, but you just put some stuff in there. There's some waters that are already in here. There is canned water. Did you put this in here, Peter? Okay, this is from our old hotel. They had canned water. There is ginger ale, I'm assuming, Sprite, and Coke. Very cool. I actually kind of want to try the Coke or the Sprite, like Chinese soda. I haven't had any yet. But they refill it every day, and it's free. And then these drawers, I'm assuming are just empty drawers. Very nice. It looks like there used to be cups in here. Okay. Empty drawer. Empty drawer. This is going to be a long one. This hotel is room is huge. Okay, and then we have our desk slash vanity area. We have our first little light. Very cute. Telephone. Your outlets. And the spa. Look at the spa menu. There's a drawer here, just empty drawer. Another empty drawer. And a trash can. All right, now we have our first bed here, or our beds. Also, look at this TV. Massive. That's insane. This is insane. Okay. Here we have our bedside table. We have a remote and this speaker with wireless charging on top. And then a bunch of little things. Okay, so I think this is the entire bedroom. Yes. So that turns all of the bedroom off. Wall lamp turns you on. Master is the entire room. That's literally the wall you've been looking at. A reading light. Oh, there's like a kind of like in Terra Luna, the Terra Luna Hotel for Epic Universe. They have one of those also. And then night. What is night? No idea. Okay. What if I? No? Okay. I don't know what that does. Oh my god, turn the lights back on. Okay, we're gonna go this way. I'm still speechless at how beautiful this room is. There's a flashlight. A branded flashlight is crazy. I don't know what that means. I think it's just like what not to do in the room, I think. And then a lot of the same things over on this side. So it's actually nice. So we were at another hotel in Beijing that had similar setup with this whole wall light thing. And it was only on one side of the bed. Granted, there's two beds. The other one was only one bed. But I like that it's on both sides. Because like I can go to sleep while Peter's up and he can turn the lights off himself. Okay, here's a little like sitting area. Very nice. It has like this tea set. Also this artwork. How beautiful is that? Wow. More artwork. Okay, it's like this tea set. How fun! You get to like put your tea in there. This little tea kettle. These little tiny cups for tea. Tongs. I don't know what those are for. And then, what is this? Is this tea? I don't want to take it out and ruin it. It is tea. It's just like straight up loose leaf tea, I think. I'm assuming this is included in your stay. Like if the mini bar is free, I'm assuming this is free. So there's green tea, whatever the tea that I just had. Oh man, I totally ruined that. Da Hong tea. I can't read that. Some other kind of tea. But there's like this fun little tea set. How cool is that? Wait, okay, in this bathroom? Guys, this bathroom? This is crazy. All right, let's make it bright in here. Okay, so here's another cool little light switch moment. So there's bright lights and ambient lights. Right now the ambient lights are on. So you see just like the underneath light and then this one. And the bright lights are the overhead lights. And you can turn the ambient lights off and just have the bright ones. It's crazy. There's so many options. There's also this door. Okay. Oh, there's two. How dramatic. Okay, well, that's fun. All right, so here we have this very nice looking bathtub with, again, the branded towel, floor mat, I'm assuming. This towel is so nice. There's curtains here. Oh, there's a curtain light switch panel on the wall. Also, notices in our other hotel, there's a shower head in the bathtub. How convenient. You don't have to shower after your bath. It comes with a bath neck pillow And what is this? Body wash in the bathtub. How nice. All right, so here's a little curtain thing. So curtain on? I think curtain is off right now. Curtain is down. Curtain on. So you press it once, up she goes. We don't have a view, we're on the second floor, so. And it's also very reflective. Oh. Hello. It's so reflective. This has to be like a two-way mirror or something. Like, just, you can't see out. Or you can't see in, I mean. Right? It has to be. This is crazy. Why is this another mirror? Okay, I'm gonna put that back down because that's kind of freaky. Into the bathroom itself. We have some more water here on the counter. We already cracked open the soap, but look at that soap. That's some artisanal soap. We have our toothbrush sets, some cups, Green Initiative, cotton buds, cotton pads, and shower cap. Very nice. Comb, toothbrush, toothbrush, toothbrush. Toothbrushes. What is this? Some lotion. Body lotion. Look at that. Uh-oh, don't fall. Here's an outlet for razors. More Kleenex. We have our fun little close-up mirror. It looks like there's some plastic on it. Like, you know, there's like the plastic coating on something. That's kind of what that looks like. Lights on the back. Oh, she's bright. Hi. How fun. Oh, okay, underneath. There's like a plethora of things to see underneath. We have our towel bar here, which is pretty cool. And then there's like full rugs, like shag rugs. That's crazy. Another towel, small towels, a slippery mat, which I'm assuming is for the tub and or shower, and then a hairdryer and another little trash can. Okay, speaking of the shower, we're gonna go right in here where there's another towel. All of this frosted glass leads way to this beautiful shower. It has a detachable handle hose head, as well as a rain shower head. And there's just so much lighting in here. It's so nice. Okay, let's look at the things. So we have body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Very nice. Very sleek. Uh-oh, Celsius. Ruh-roh. The door goes both ways also, so that's nice. Okay, into the closet. Hello? This closet, crazy. Also, another door. Oh, there's another outlet back there. There's nothing here, but another door. So you can fully close like this entire shower closet sink area. Because the door's here, and then the double doors over here. Oh, there's so much to show you. Okay, we have robes. We have this child's robe. Oh, I don't like the sound of that. And then two adult robes. There's storage space up on top. There's some extra hangers, which are very nice, and then like ribbon covered hangers. I'm assuming laundry, valet service things. And then there's slippies. You got some slippers down the bottom. A couple different sizes. Here we have a shoe horn and a shoe brush in this drawer. And a giant safe. And this, like a little jewelry thing. In this drawer, that's an intense safe. Wow. Okay. And then more bright light little thingies. So that's like, that controls the entire bathroom. Nice. And then the toilet. So here you have, oh, I thought it was a slider. You have your normal door here, and then the only tricky thing is that this is outside of the bathroom. So you need to make sure you turn that on before you go inside. But we have some fun artwork up here. Another random towel rack. Another trash can. Wow, 3. And then the toilet. Your telephone, in case you want to make a call. And toilet paper with like a little holder. Some extra toilet paper over there. Does that light always stay on? How nice. Safety light in the bathroom. All right, that's the entire room. Okay, one thing that I noticed that they don't have is an iron and ironing board. We don't need one, but just because. Let's do the bed test, and then I'm gonna go to sleep because we just left. Scares at Universal. I always want to say Halloween Horror Nights. We just left Scares at Universal. Check out that video on our YouTube channel because it was actually better than Halloween Horror Nights. I'm not gonna lie, even though the Halloween Horror Nights. Normally I film it from like the front angle, but I can't because there's no room. That should be good. Should it? I'm gonna be a 5-year-old. Oh, this is actually quite dangerous. I almost knocked the table over. She's firm, but she's comfy. This is a good bed. So final room review. We're checking out. We stayed here for 2 nights. The bed is super comfortable. This hotel room is, I think I said it a couple days ago, probably one of the nicest hotel rooms I've ever stayed in. But also in terms of like theme park hotel rooms, it's so nice. Housekeeping came last night and they like fully cleaned everything. Like nothing was left untouched. So they don't just like touch up, they fully clean, which isn't a bad thing. And the Nespresso was good. Peter tried the tea in the little tea set. He said that was good. It was just like so small. It was like taking shots of tea, but slept well. The first night we did not close the doors to the bathroom. And I regretted that because it was super sunny in the morning and the light woke me up. So last night we ended up closing the doors. So that's the only like little tip I have. Okay, well, that is our stay, our room review at Nuo Hotel. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time in another room review or another Universal Beijing video here on our YouTube channel because there's a million. Love you, bye.